Hello everybody and welcome to our ChopChopChef channel. Yes, today I will show you my version of an eggnog cake. So to do this one, a few video clips back we did the flourless almond and chocolate cake base, and this one is our base today, what we will use to finishing off our eggnog cake, right? So this is what we did it a few videos back. Just check it out, what is called flourless almond and chocolate cake base. And I explained to you, you can use this base for, you can garnish it, coat it with chocolate coating, ganache, or any royal icing, whatever you like, fruit flan and so on. Today I use this base to finish off the eggnog cake. For this one we need later on as well a very good eggnog, right, advocate. Eggnog, and be mindful, it's not for children, has 20% alcohol. Alright, but first thing first, we need plenty of cream. So we will whisk our cream around, for a cake like this, around 400 milliliter. So here we go. And as well, I mean, in this one we will put a leaflet of vanilla sugar, yeah, and then we put around 2 spoonfuls of sugar in there. Soup spoon 1, 2, yes, okay, and now we give it full blast and whisk it to a very stiff consistency. Our cream has a nice consistency now. Yeah, maybe a touch more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Okay, we got that sorted. What's next? Yeah, okay, now we take our base. Schwuppdiwupp. A piping bag. And I use a star nozzle, right? So this goes in here then. Obviously we have to cut off the piping, the tip here, so the nozzle fits nicely through. Let's see if this is enough. No, still quite a bit missing. So that's perfect. We want to discard our offcuts, not that it suddenly ends up in the cream, right? Now first, we may call it, we masking this cake. I put plenty of cream now on top, right? No, not necessarily that it has to be on the sides. Okay, to do this one, let's be generous and put a little bit cream on here. Let's see how we go. I use a palette knife, you can use a spoon, whatever, it's easy for you, right? So here we go, we're having a turning table. This is only a little luxury, a toy to play with. If you don't have this one, no harm done. And yes, you don't have to have a very smooth surface, no need. You can be a little bit rough. Why we need a generous amount of cream on here? For everything is a reason, right? So this one I will reveal shortly. So that will do the trick for me. Now if you have a little bit on the side, just go quickly. Easy done. Now you're taking a palette knife or a spoon and make kind of patterns in your whipped cream on the top, right? So you can just do like this when the camera like that, or you can use the spoon, yeah. Use a spoon, make sort of a wave effect, right? Like that. It's completely whatever you feel comfortable with, right? Okay. And what we're doing today, we just go swap, swap, swap. You see, so you make a little tins in your cream. Okay, you wonder what this guy is doing, right? Now, that's one later on. All the little tins here, this will be, our eggnog will be then nicely stuck in there. But now we have to make sure the eggnog is not running on the sides. We now have to make a nice border, so contain all the eggnog in the middle of the cake. Okay, to do that, as I said, we have prepared our piping bag with a star nozzle. Again, you can be creative as you wish, whatever nozzle, whatever piping bag tools you need, you use. Okay. Okay, when you have a piping bag, now have a look at this, right? So now, first of all, you're squeezing down your cream here, nicely. And then, you're taking your bag and you fold it like that. Yeah, as close as you can to the mixture what you have. Then, you twist it. 1, 2, and it comes out. So this one you press, and this hand you guide. I show you. Okay, now here we go. I'm pressing here, up here, and then I make a rosette. Look at that. Yeah. So easy. And they have to be obviously not spaced out. They have to be all nicely close together, as I mentioned. So our eggnog stays inside. So we're making a little sort of mirror of eggnog. Here we go. Alrighty. Yeah, looking good, looking good. So this is your base. You see our little tins in here. And as I said, now you're using your eggnog, right? When you have the eggnog, first of all, it has to be chilled. Very important. And eggnog, you have to shake and look at. Okay, good. Enough of that. Here it is. Now again, you can use a spoon and filter it over, or put your thumb in front of the, before you pour it, and don't be too shy. And this cake then, we decorate as well with a little bit some chocolate shavings. Okay, what do everybody thinks? There's definitely enough eggnog on here, right? This looks good already? To me, yes. No wastage. We have to lick our thumb. Okay. Chuk, 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 chuk. Here we go. Now we're putting this one in the fridge while, and during that time, we do our chocolate shavings. Okay, let's do this one quickly in the fridge. Okay, chocolate shavings, very simple thing as well. I just use a little bit of our butcher's paper, having a knife, a nice block of chocolate. This one, yes, I just take out of the refrigerator, yeah, and now everybody has his own sort of version how to make chocolate shavings, yeah. You can do it like this, you can do it like this. For this cake we don't need too much. We just want to have a little bit of the chocolate shavings on our cream rosettes. Okay. Yes, you can buy chocolate shavings as well, but you want to make it look as authentic as possible and freshly made, not commercially made. Right? That's always our aim here on ChopChopChef. Yeah, we try to make everything fresh from the scratch. Okay, I'm pretty sure that will do. Okay, let's put this one on the side here. Zack, zack, zack. We get our cake out and finish it off. Here it comes, here it comes. Now, of course, when you start taking this chocolate in your hand, make sure that this goes very quickly because this will melt. Yeah? You take it, put it on, take it, put it on. Okay, we release our turning table. Okay, so I take it. Look at that, so simple, so easy. And this cake definitely has to go in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours, so it's nice and cold, and then that's the best thing to it. All right, now the outside's here, now turning table. Okay, we clean it a little bit off, the chocolate. And how about that to my beautiful eggnog cake, right? With a flourless cake base for you to enjoy. Soon I slice it in 2 hours. I put a picture on there as well, so you see how good it is, how good it looks. Tasting, well, I have to do this hard yard. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.